Welcome to day 11 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. Today, we're diving into a mesmerizing Sandglass star pattern. Code a mesmerizing Sandglass star in Python, ready to level up your Python skills and create art while you're at it. In today's 100 Days of Python Challenge, we're crafting a captivating Sandglass star pattern using just a few lines of code. Given a positive integer n, your mission is to create a Python program that prints a stunning Sandglass star pattern. Each asterisk or will be followed by a space. The pattern dimensions will be based on the input, creating a beautiful visual experience. Sample, input and output. For instance, if the provided number is 4, the pattern should unfold with 7 rows and 7 columns, showcasing the elegance of Python programming. Instructions: enter a positive integer, n, as the input. Witness the magic unfold as the Sandglass star pattern takes shape on your screen. Here's what you'll learn. Grasp fundamental Python concepts like loops and conditionals. Master pattern printing techniques. Construct intricate visual patterns. With Code Boost, your problem-solving abilities, sample input and output are also provided. Stay motivated with daily challenges. Let's code together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting Python challenges.